Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Samsung might have just spilled some big news about a brand new foldable smartphone, one that no one saw coming. Alongside the much anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7, there's growing speculation that a more budget-friendly Galaxy Z Flip FE could also be making its debut this summer. If these leaks are accurate, Samsung could be shaking up the foldable phone market in a major way. Here's everything we know so far about this exciting fan edition foldable. Samsung's upcoming foldable series has already created a buzz, with leaks hinting at slimmer, lighter designs and a refined crease. But a recent discovery suggests that the company might have another surprise in store, an affordable alternative to its premium foldable lineup. A well-known industry insider recently uncovered a new model number, SMF761, on Samsung's OTA update servers. This doesn't match any existing Samsung device, but it follows the naming pattern of the Galaxy Z Flip series. Looking at previous models, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 was listed as SMF741, while the Flip 5 had the model number SMF731. If Samsung continues this pattern, the Flip 7 should be SMF751. That raises the question, what could SMF761 be? The most logical assumption is that this is the Galaxy Z Flip FE. Samsung's Fan Edition FE devices are designed to offer a near-flagship experience at a lower price. The company usually achieves this by making a few minor trade-offs while keeping core features intact. The Galaxy Z Flip FE is expected to follow the same approach, bringing the foldable experience to a broader audience without breaking the bank. One of the biggest concerns with budget-friendly models is often the display quality, but Samsung seems to be making the right decisions here. Leaks suggest that the Z Flip FE will feature the same 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz LTPO AMOLED screen as the Z Flip 6. This means smooth animations and vibrant colors should still be part of the experience. However, the peak brightness might see a slight dip, potentially maxing out at 1900 nits. Even with this small adjustment, the display should still offer an immersive experience. The processor powering this device is still a point of debate. Some reports suggest it could run on Samsung's Exynos 2500, the same chip rumored for the Flip 7, while others claim it might be powered by the slightly older Exynos 2400. Either way, the device is expected to support up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, ensuring smooth performance and efficient multitasking. The design and durability aspects are also expected to remain strong. The Galaxy Z Flip FE will likely adopt key elements from the Flip 6, including ultra-thin glass protection, a sturdy armor aluminum frame and hinge, and Gorilla Glass Victus for added toughness. There's also talk of water resistance, but an official IP rating has yet to be confirmed. For photography enthusiasts, the Z Flip FE is expected to come equipped with a 50 megapixels main camera and a 10 megapixels front-facing camera. While it might not compete with top-tier flagship camera setups, it should still deliver sharp and high-quality images and videos for everyday use. The biggest factor that could set this device apart is its price. High costs have been a major barrier to the widespread adoption of foldable phones. If Samsung prices this device aggressively, it could become the most affordable Flip-style foldable yet, bringing the experience to a much wider audience. With the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 already making waves, the potential launch of a budget-friendly Z Flip FE could completely change the game. Would you be interested in owning an affordable foldable smartphone? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for all the latest tech updates. And make sure to tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.